Hello, my name is Fabrizio Trifoglio. I'm the product manager for wall fans in Scope, and I have more than 20 years of experience in ventilation system. As you can see, this is a complete new design of the shutter, and it's an air-driven shutter without any actuator. Thanks to this, you can save a lot of cost in the installation, and this means a quick return of investment. This new design of the shutter with vertical lamellas helps to keep clean the shutter during the functioning without any risk of dust creating problem in the opening and the closing system. The smooth opening and closing without any noise prevents from the risk of animal migration into the building. As an additional features, you can see that there is a grid inside that prevents any risk of birds entering into the fan, and also the fan is completely fulfilling the sea requirements thanks to the grid inside.